Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk create Google Calendar events with xFanatical Foresight. Manually creating events in Google Calendar, especially recurring or organization-wide events, can be tedious and error-prone. It often leads to missed details, scheduling conflicts, and wasted time. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. xFanatical Foresight automates the entire process of bulk event creation in Google Calendar. With just a structured CSV file, you can create multiple events at once with complete accuracy, saving time and ensuring consistency across your calendars. It's perfect for managing team meetings, school timetables, or company-wide events. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Bulk Create Calendar Events template and click on it. In the Bulk Create Calendar Events page, click the Copy rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Create Calendar Events will display. Click Next at the bottom. Now, click Review. In the review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates creating multiple Google Calendar events at once. Go to the Templates page. Search for Bulk Create Calendar Events template and click on it. In the Bulk Create Calendar Events page, click on the Download Sample CSV File button, or if you set up automation from scratch, please use the CSV file which you have created. Edit the sample CSV file and replace fake details with your organization data. Download the prepared CSV file. Now go to the Rules page. Click on Upload icon of Copy of Bulk Create Calendar Events rule. Upload the CSV file and wait for a few moments till CSV is fully processed. After successful processing of each row of CSV, you will get a success notification along with other notifications on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Optional, open your Google Calendar and verify all the calendar events from CSV added at once by xFanatical Foresight. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.